Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to log out from your Tinder profile in Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account and right now I want to log out. So let's try to log out right now. At the top left, here's your profile icon. Along with your profile name, simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. Right here is our profile. Now let's scroll down. Let's keep scrolling down to the very bottom. And right here, as you can see, there's something like log out. In case you want to log out, click on this log out button right here. I'm gonna click on it. Then this will open up. It's gonna ask for our confirmation whether we actually want to log out or not. Yes, we do want to log out, so let's hit on log out. And guys, there you go. We have logged out from Tinder. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.